We'll guide you through how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing the video over to Pausa, who's going to continue.
Before we begin, it's helpful to understand what a proxy does in Janitor AI. A proxy allows you to connect Janitor AI to external AI model instead of using only the default model. This gives you access to wider range of AI model, including both free and paid option, so you can choose the one that best fits your need. To get started, open Janitor AI on your browser and sign in with your account. And once that you have signed in, just open one of your existing chat or create a new one. Keep in mind that not every character supports proxy model. If you later receive a message saying that proxy are not supported for this character, simply switch to another character and then try again. So now as you can see for my character, it is saying proxy allowed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the latest chat, and now at the top you will see three horizontal line. Just go ahead and click on the three horizontal line and just go ahead and go to API settings, and now your settings will open. Here select proxy, and now once the proxy is selected, just go ahead and click on plus new. Now here you will see option for name. So for name you can go with any name, so I'm just gonna name it simple like my custom proxy. And now the next step is to choose a model. One of the easiest services is to use Open Router, since it provides access to many different AI model in one place. So just go ahead and go to openrouter.ai and then sign in with your account. And once that you have signed in, you can just go ahead and go to Models tab by just clicking on Models, and here you will see different model. So basically just scroll to the options and go with any model. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the free model. So I'll just click on the free model, and here you will see this particular code. Just go ahead and click on this copy icon to copy this particular code to the clipboard. And once copied, you can just go ahead and go to your Janitor AI and then just go ahead and go to the models and press Ctrl and V key on your keyboard. And now once that you have done that, you will need a proxy URL. So basically just go ahead and copy paste the link from the description. The URL is the same regardless of which open router model that you selected. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. After that, you will see option for API key. So just go ahead and return to your openrouter.ai, and after that just go to your profile picture at the top right and then just go ahead and go to preferences. After that just go ahead and go to the API key at the top, and then here just go ahead and create a new key. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on plus new key and then give your key a name. So I'm just gonna name it something like Janitor AI, and then you can leave the credit limit at optional, and then after that you can leave other options at default and click on create. And now you will see your API key. Just go ahead and click on the copy icon to copy your key, because you will not be able to see it once you close this. So after copying, you just go ahead and close this and then return to your Janitor AI, and in the API key field just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste your API key. After that you can write a custom prompt. This lets you define how you want your AI to behave before every conversation. For example, you could tell it to respond more formally or give long answer. If you don't need this feature, you can simply leave it as blank and click on add. After that, you will see now it is saying using proxy, and once everything is working, you can continue chatting as normal. But your conversation will now use the external AI model that you configured through the proxy instead of the default one. And that's it. That's how you use a proxy in Janitor AI. If you find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.